Hi, second grade, it's Mrs. Grandy, and today we're going to be doing a lesson, which is Pennsylvania Lesson 1 on three-dimensional shapes, okay? Three-dimensional shapes can be used in different ways. A cylinder looks like this, okay? If you have ever seen, this is like a cylinder right here. This spray paint, this is a cylinder. Can of spray paint is a cylinder. Then we have a cone, which is like an ice cream cone, okay? A cylinder has two flat surfaces and no vertices because the top and the bottom are circles. It has one flat surface and one vertex, or a cone has one flat surface and one vertex. This also has a circle, two flat sides, one vertex. This is a rectangular prism, and a rectangular prism is very similar to a cube, except for these are not squares. This is a rectangle, okay? So we know that it's going to have the vertices, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the other side, okay? Edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the ones on the back and the side, okay? The faces of the rectangular prism are all rectangles. You can use edges, flat surfaces, and vertices to draw three-dimensional shapes. The dashed lines show the parts of the shapes that you can't see when you look at a solid shape from a certain angle. A sphere is a three-dimensional shape that has no flat surfaces or faces, no edges, and no vertices. A ball is a sphere. Now let's circle the shapes that are rectangular prisms, draw an X on the shapes that are spheres. So let's find the rectangles first. Look here. This is a rectangular prism, and this is a rectangular prism. These are spheres. This is a cone, and this is a cylinder. We need to complete the drawing of the cylinder. Now remember, it said before that we can use a dashed line. We need to put another circle at the bottom. And there is our cylinder. How many flat sides does this cylinder have? 1, 2. Let's draw a cone. How many flat sides does this cone have? 1, 2. Let's draw a sphere. It's just a three-dimensional circle. How many flat sides does it have? None. And it has 0 vertices, right? All right, now we're going to do a rectangular prism. Okay, this is how Mrs. Grandy does them. All right, how many faces does the rectangular prism have? 1 here, that's 1, 2 the back, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces in all. How many edges does it have? How many edges does this have? That's right, 12. And how many vertices does this have? How many vertices does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 4 at the top, 4 at the bottom. That's the easiest way to remember that. So a rectangular prism has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Okay? All right, second grade. That is our quick mini lesson on three-dimensional shapes. Have a great day.